See how I turned raw property photos into cinematic real estate videos in minutes. This is Higgsfield AI, and it can seriously help real estate agents create listing videos with staging transformations and walkthrough style clips without complicated filming or editing software. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how Higgsfield performs in a real estate content workflow. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, I uploaded real estate images directly into Higgsfield AI. These photos act as the foundation for the AI-generated video, so it's important to choose high-quality shots that showcase the property well. Next, I selected a cinematic preset specifically designed for real estate. Presets in Higgsfield control everything from camera movement to pacing and the overall visual style, so picking the right one makes a huge difference in how professional the final video looks. Once everything was set, I clicked Generate, and Higgsfield instantly added smooth camera motion, framing, and transitions. This completely replaces the need for manual video editing or simulating camera movements yourself. Next, I uploaded an empty interior image, for example, a bare living room. Optionally, you can also upload a staged version, but Higgsfield can create the transformation on its own. Then use this prompt, which you'll find in the description too. An empty living room turns into a fully furnished modern space, with each piece popping up from the ground one by one, slowly populating the room space only. Realistic lighting, subtle camera movement, and professional real estate style. I kept the enhanced prompt option on and selected Kling 2.6 as the video generation model with a general preset. Higgsfield then blended the empty room into a fully furnished space, all in a single video. This creates a strong visual hook, perfect for grabbing attention in listing promotions. You may need a few trial and error attempts to get the staging exactly how you want. But once you find the right prompt, the results are impressive and professional looking. Pro tip: keep consistent angles and lighting in your photos to improve the final video. One of the coolest features in Higgsfield AI is its ability to simulate camera movement from a single image. I started with a single property photo, either an interior or exterior shot, and tested two styles of camera motion. For a bird's eye style, I used the prompt, a cinematic top-down camera movement from this property image, smooth aerial style motion, stable framing, luxury real estate feel. Higgsfield generated a smooth, aerial-like movement, giving the impression of a drone shot. Next, for a ground-level cinematic push-in, I used a ground-level cinematic camera move, slow push forward toward the property, professional real estate showcase style. This created a realistic, immersive walkthrough feel, as if you were approaching the property in person. Next, I added human presence to the scene using this prompt. A professional real estate agent standing naturally in the scene, realistic proportions, subtle movement, natural lighting, no exaggerated gestures. With this detailed prompt, the motion and presence of the agent looked surprisingly realistic. A quick note: use this feature to enhance your listing, not replace real interactions. Next, I uploaded a near-completed construction photo of a project. Higgsfield AI can turn the images into a smooth, progressive video, showing the transformation over time. For this, I used the prompt, a smooth progress video showing the transformation from early construction to near completion, with no people, seamless transitions, consistent camera motion from all sides in a time-lapse format. Once generated, the results looked clean and professional, with consistent motion and seamless transitions between each stage. Pro tip: the more advanced the video model you use, the better your results will be. Now let's quickly talk pricing. Higgsfield doesn't offer a free plan, and the $9 basic plan only gives access to limited models. The Pro plan begins at $29 per month, unlocking all models with 600 credits per month. Overall, Higgsfield is a powerful tool for real estate agents that helps you turn simple property photos into virtually staged assets and cinematic videos quickly. So try out Higgsfield AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.